Just purchased your Defy washing machine? Let me plug you. Make sure you activate your full warranty. Did you know that your Defy washing machine includes a 2-year full warranty? When you register your appliance within 3 months of purchase, you'll receive an additional year of parts cover, giving you up to 3 years of protection. Complete your product warranty registration today. Their team of friendly service agents was so helpful. Reach out to them on 086 100 333 9, and you can also enjoy peace of mind in a few simple steps.